things that I manifested, I had no resistance towards it. Like, I wanted to, I thought a movie or, a message is not a big deal. In my head, it's not a big deal. So it happened.
Yes.
But a lot of times when we are trying to manifest something, as soon as we've done the steps, we followed the steps and we've asked and we've believed, and and we've taken the actions also, but before we receive, we are all like, when is it going to come true? Is it going to come true? When will it happen? Will it happen? So how do we stop this phase from sort of sabotaging our law of attraction, for the manifestation coming true?
So first of all, why do I give these experiments on my YouTube channel? And any of our viewers who are yet to connect on my YouTube channel, they should go to YouTube and search for Awesome Ajay and they will find. And one of the primary reason I have made so many videos on the experiment, like the one you did for the telepathic technique, like getting the message from someone. And then I have a different video I released recently on manifesting a yellow duck. And then just few days back, I have created a video on manifesting some money. And you will be surprised, people are manifesting money like anything. Someone is manifesting 500 rupees and some people have manifested even up to 50,000 and 5 lakh rupees.
Wow.
Like, surprise, somebody got their money back which was stuck somewhere for so many months. And some other people got in terms of gifts and everything. Now, the purpose of I have been making this kind of videos to make everyone understand, like what the point you say, that when we don't have the resistance, we can manifest things so fast, so magically, so joyfully, that even that's why it seems like miracle or magic, right?
Yeah.
But at the same time, in all the videos, I have been keep saying people that start with something small, start with something where you don't have the resistance, so that you get your faith, you get your belief strong first, that yes, this thing works. And then you start asking, if it is not working for me for some manifestation, why is it so? What is the resistance I am carrying? And let me tell you the biggest mistake people do while applying the law of attraction as a beginner. Rather than they trying this kind of small experiment to first build up the faith, they apply it for the biggest dream.
And
true. Because they have failed on these dreams before, or some fears or some doubt, something is there. Because the moment we say something, oh, it's so big. So the moment we say it's big, we add so much of resistance to it. But we need to understand, for the universe, a needle and $1 million are both the same. For the universe, everything is same. It takes the same amount of energy, same amount of intention to create a small thing and a big thing. So we have to learn in this process to release the resistance. Go back and ask ourselves, why am I not manifesting? What is the fears and doubts I have been carrying? And I have to release it. And there are different processes, different ways to understand what are the resistance, how to remove them. But that is the key. When we don't have resistance, we can manifest so many things so easily, so joyfully, like life will be totally awesome.